Hi, my name is Justin. I'm with Swimming Pool Services in Waukesha, Wisconsin. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to take a RayPak heater out of remote mode. The reason that RayPak heaters we put into remote mode is if you have some sort of automation system and you have a communication cable wire that's going from the circuit board of the RayPak heater to your automation panel, that you put it in remote mode so that the heater is no longer controlled here, it's controlled by the automation system. So the reason that you would need to take it out of remote mode or put it into remote mode is whether you're connecting it to automation or you're troubleshooting it and then you just need to run the heater manually. All right, so if you do need to take your RayPak pool heater out of remote mode, which is connected to automation so that it can be controlled manually, how to do that is you're going to go to the front of the RayPak heater, you're going to flip up the black bezel screen. Then you'll notice right now it says on the LCD screen, it says remote, no demand, and then it'll say the water temperature. This basically means that this system is in remote mode. It's being controlled by some sort of automation unit. So if I try to turn temperatures up or down, it gives me the error code of exit remote mode to adjust temperatures. In order to exit remote mode, simultaneously you will press the up red arrow and the down blue arrow for 3 to 5 seconds, and you will hold it until you see the word remote disappear. After the word remote disappears, you'll see the word off. Now if I press any button, such as mode, and I can set the temperature of the heater where I want it. And then to put the system back into remote mode so that automation's controlling it, you're going to do the very same thing, just in reverse. So you're going to press the up and down arrow, 3 to 5 seconds, and then it'll say remote, and now it's back in remote mode, and it'll say exit remote mode to adjust temperature again. Should you need to do this as well, there's a little sticker right here that explains how to do it.